Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video here. I know I haven't made a video in a long time. I don't know why I haven't. Probably because not many people watch it, but I don't care. Some people watch it, some people don't. I don't care. Right now, I'm making slime. I already started with the glue. So, let's get that on my phone. Okay, there we go. So I'm using 2 bottles of Elmer's glue, Barbasol Original shaving cream, and a spoon, and Tide. You have to use Tide for this. You're using 1 batch of glue?
Yeah, I'm gonna use 2 different batches.
I should too.
Then we can make one while we live.
Yeah. Do you have to shake it up?
Yeah.
I've never mixed that before. I don't know how to keep my phone up. There we go. This is perfect. If you want to come next to me, you can be on it. I don't know if your parents are. And shaving cream. Do I just like put a lot?
I didn't put that much.
Just tell me when to stop.
Stop, then stir it in, and more.
Time for the mixing time. Why does shaving cream smell so good?
I don't know.
My,
I still make grandpa's all the time.
really? And you wait till it gets kind of creamy, right?
Till it looks like,
Looks like ice cream or whipped cream.
see how like this looks? Like right here? Yeah, like that.
Or like that. I don't know why I always switch my hands, but when I do, it gets like tiring. I just keep mixing. Katie's gonna be teaching me how to make slime today. Like, I know how to make it, just not by like measurements, I guess. Katie, is that good? Or more?
Oh, more,
Shaving cream?
like mine is like thick.
To kind of where it's super thick.
Huh?
It's kind of like where it's super thick and shiny. What if you had too much shaving cream? Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, because it'll be super fluffy slime, right? Oh wow, that's a lot more glue.
Wait
What?
This is my bottle I use. This is the one from a while ago.
Ah, bad glue.
No, I don't think glue expires.
Oh, definitely glue expires.
Yeah, we Gucci.
Comment down below, do any of you guys use the word Gucci anymore? Like, do you guys use it? I don't. I think it's a weird word to say good. Just say, it's great, it's awesome, or shut the fuck up. And don't even say the word.
Oh my.
What?
Smell it.
Whoa. Wait, that smells so much like slime. Like the blue slime Jazzy made me.
Because she probably used Tide.
That's the only one that she does use.
That's probably why it smells so similar.
So what, is our stuff gonna be blue? Oh wait, we should have used the Tide honey.
What?
Then the Tide that we got,
Why?
because it's clear.
It doesn't really affect the color that much. I can obviously tell I'm gonna need more.
Fill it to the top.
I'm just gonna eyeball.
Katie, is that good enough?
Do a little.
It smells so good. Wait, do I pour this entire thing right here?
No, just like little by little, then stir. Oh, we forgot. We forgot lotion.
Lotion? Why?
Stretchy.
Mm.
But we can always add it.
Always. And the thing is, no one cares about the game room. Bathroom. Oh, got on my fingers already. No, it's just shaving cream. Mostly.
Oh god, it's really fluffy.
Mine is. And then I pour again, right? You just keep going until it feels like slime.
Then you may need to start kneading with your hands.
I know. Last time I tried kneading with my hands, Jasmine got so mad at me because I was doing it wrong.
There's no wrong way to knead.
Yes, there is. She says. My arm's getting tired. My hair looks bad. This is it right here, right now.
What?
I keep getting it on my finger.
It's time for me to knead.
If I kneaded with my hands, my fingers would look like this. I'm already playing with it. It's probably not good, is it? Playing with it before. Chill out, girl. Girl, chill. I would like totally mix this thing with my hands right now. Katie, tell me when it's time for me to knead with my hands.
When you feel like it's time.
How do I know if I've never made slime before?
Like it will start getting like all the slime around like the edge will start sticking to like the batch. Last time I made slime with Tide, it was only my third time making slime. So like it wasn't that good. But never use like here's a pro tip for you guys. Never use the purple glue that turns to clear when it dries. Because it doesn't work.
It doesn't?
No. Leia and me had the experiment. So yeah, don't use it if you guys are going to make slime.
This is gonna be a big batch of slime right now.
Huh?
Look at this. I think it's time for me to knead with my hands now, don't you think? Soon? Right, Katie?
Yeah.
Just tell me when to start kneading with my hands. Oh my god, that's like perfect slime. Oh my god, it sounds like a basketball. I play a lot of basketball with Abia when we make new friends. Do you think it's time for me to knead with my hands now?
Yeah.
Okay, this is my first batch of slime. Oh my god.
The more you knead with it, like the more together it will come.
Oh my god, I'm making slime for the first time. Oh my god, this is the perfect batch of slime. It's sticky, but it doesn't really stick to your hands. Like you just have to go over it and it comes off. It's not coming off. Okay, it came off. I totally need to tell Jasmine about this. She's gonna be so happy for me. Kind of like when I first tried Starbucks. I still have the picture of us. Oh my god, I've never made slime before. Now where am I gonna keep the slime?
Oh, we forgot to make baggies. Okay, that was my best attempt is like pretty good to do Instagram swirls with.
I know now I can do slime things. Ugh, first batch of slime.
I want to put it on the table.
We can.
But
It's just wood. It's not gonna stick, right? Okay, now for the test. Now we know that it's stretchy. Does it click and pop? Okay, pops. I guess.
mine pops. You want me to hold it?
It's clicky.
Mine is stretchy. Have you given them a game room slash gym tour?
That can be part of this video. Now we're going live. Watch this now.